Now let's talk about different ways Elwa may be related to someone. They work with people who are treated poorly in society, poor people and members of the LGBT community. Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about the most popular divisions of Lwa in Haitian Voodoo, and after that we are going to talk about the most popular Lwa, and at the end we're gonna talk about different types of ways a Lwa can be connected with someone, or different types of relationship a Lwa can have with someone. Actually, this is the second part of the previous video that I did, which title is What You Should Know About the Lwa. You can check it out if you haven't watched it yet. Before we go further into the video, if you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button so that you never miss a video that I upload. And I want to thank all my subscribers who always like my videos and always leave comments. Don't forget that I told you the 7 most popular divisions of Lwa in Haitian Voodoo are Rada, Petwo, Ibo, Nago, Congo, Dereal, and Banzobo. I already gave you information that you need to know about the 2 major ones, which are the Rada division and the Petwo division. In this video we're gonna focus more about the other 5 divisions. Let's start with the Nago division. The Nago division is from the Yoruba culture in Africa. Those Lwas are strong spirits. Many of them are warriors, fighters. They are spirits of war and fire, spirits that in life stood for what they believed in without wavering. They are all hot in nature, fierce fighters, and unbeatable protectors for those who they care for or those who call on them. Their favorite colors are red and black, and their leader is Ogufera. And fun fact is, with the help of Ogufera and his wife Ezili Dantor, we could fight the oppressors, the colonizers during the slave trade time. And the next division is Ibo. They have similarities with the Nago division, but the only difference is the Nago division, they're more aggressive. The Ibo division is from the Ibo culture in Africa. Those Lwas, they have the attributes of guardians, protector of their people from slavery and oppressors. Their favorite colors are red, black, and blue. The next one is the Congo division. They are from the Congo kingdom in Africa. They embody love and celebration. Their favorite colors are all colors because they are very flamboyant and colorful. Their leader is Lagen Soleil, or the Sun Queen. Their celebration date is on August 15, and they do a particular voodoo dance ceremony for them in Lac Sucre, which is located in Gonaïves, Haiti. And the next one is the Dereal division. Those Lwas, they demand equality among all parts of society. They work with people who are treated poorly in society, such as women, the handicapped, poor people, and members of the LGBT community. Their favorite colors are various colors just like the rainbow. And the last one is the Banzobo division. They are a secret entity that are very mysterious. Other names for them are Banchapuel, Mazanza. They are like a supreme court in voodoo. I will talk more about them in another video. Now let's talk about the most popular Lwa. So the 3 most popular ones are Dambala, the Lwa of the sky, Ezili, the Lwa of love, and Hogu, the Lwa of war. And other popular ones are Baba Loko, who is the Lwa of air or the Lwa of the wind, Uzenzaka, who is the Lwa of the earth, the Lwa of the field, or the Lwa of work, Agweawoyo, Simbi, who are Lwa of water, Marinette, and Tijan Petwo, who are Lwa of fire. Now let's talk about different ways a Lwa may be related to someone. The first way is Lwa Racine, or family spirit inherited from a parent. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will give a story time on how I knew my family spirit. And the second way is Lwa Ashte. It's a spirit bot for its efficiency, but which must be served with expensive offerings, or else you could be cursed. And the last one is Lwa Metet, which is the Lwa of the initiates, placed during the initiation. and which must be removed before death. I really want to tell you guys why is that. Why the initiates have to remove the Loi method before they die or briefly after they die. But I like when you guys engage with my content. If you guys leave me like 10 comments, if I see 10 comments which I will reply to all of them, then I will tell you in the comment section the real reason for that. So this is it guys, this is the video. Thank you to all of you who made it so far with me. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video, and help me share the video so that I can get to the 1000 subscribers. Take care of yourself and see you in another video.